Welcome to our seat work lesson. Students watching, we have some worksheets and activities that we want to accomplish in this lesson. The first thing we're going to do is the front of our arithmetic worksheet. After that, we're going to work on our letters and sounds language papers on the front. Then we have something very special. We have a Bible Friends activity page that we're going to do. And then when you're done with that, you're going to have an opportunity to write on your writing tablet paper. Today, we have some blends and we have some numbers to copy. Carefully make those connections. Touch every line and make your writing tablet your neatest paper that you do. When you're done with that writing tablet, I want you to read and enjoy a book. Now, boys and girls in this classroom and students watching, let's look at our papers for today. Put your finger right at the top of your arithmetic paper, and Bailey, what's the first thing we're going to write? Now, Bailey, look at what I'm pointing to. The first thing we write on every paper.
Your name.
Your name is it. Students watching, we're going to write our names neatly at the top of all of our papers. Is your name getting neater in every lesson? If you're practicing well, it should be. Now go down to number 1. Number 1 says we're going to count from 1 all the way to 20. Now in our last lesson, we did something pretty similar to this, and students watching, I had to show everybody in the classroom Rio's paper because Rio had so neatly touched the top and the bottom of the boxes. Students watching, could I have shown your paper? What about today on this worksheet? Touch the top and the bottom of all of these boxes and neatly count to 20. Let's go down to number 2 underneath the red line. Number 2 says circle the number that is greater. Notice at the bottom of our ovals, we have some animals, but we also have a number. I want you to circle the number that is greater. What does greater mean, students watching? And what does it mean, Jaden K?
It means that the biggest number.
That's it. It's the bigger number, so you'll circle that. Number 3 says color to continue the pattern. Put those blankets on the elephants. And down at number 4, it says we need to write the sums. I hope you have these sums memorized, but if you need some help, there are our dot cards to check our answers. Take this paper and put it underneath. Now we're looking at our letters and sounds paper. Put your finger right where your name goes. And after you write your name, we have a remember box. It's our poem. It says K comes before I and E, C before the other 3, A, O, and U. And look at our examples next to our animal. Our letter C is going to come in front of the vowel A, the vowel O, and the vowel U. The letter K comes in front of the vowels E and I, and if you need help to remember, we have those words to look at. So let's look down at number 1. Number 1 says circle the picture word that is spelled correctly. They did the first one for us, so let's go to the second one. What do you see a picture of, students watching? And what do you see a picture of, Lucas?
Kite.
It is. Now, is it kite that starts with a K or with a C, Lucas?
K.
K is correct because K goes before I and E. You'll do the rest of these words and pictures. Let's go down now to number 2. Number 2 says to mark the vowels. As you mark the vowels, make sure you are reading these words in your head, and don't forget our 1 and 2 vowel rules. Down at the bottom is number 3. Number 3 says circle the picture word. Look at each of your choices and circle the one word that tells about the picture. Put this paper underneath. The next paper we are looking at has all kinds of pictures on it. It's our language paper. Put your finger where your name goes. After you write your name, our directions say to draw a line to the correct word. Notice how that's different. Make sure that you draw a line to the correct word from the word to the picture. Do not circle the correct word. So do that for all of our pictures on this paper. See how neatly you can draw those lines. Take this paper and put it underneath. Our next paper we're looking at is our Bible activity paper. Now, students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, this one's a little bit different. On the front of this paper, I want you to write your name neatly. And when you're done, you will turn it to the back. And on the back, you can see what God made on the first day, and you get to color the picture that goes with it. So make it look nice and neat. When you're done with that, put this paper underneath. And the next paper you're looking at is your writing tablet paper. Remember, on this writing tablet paper, you will start with your name, then write your blends, and write your numbers neatly.